My next lesson will be the humble mashed potatoes. Everybody knows mashed potato from the age, very young age, maybe it's the first type of solid food you eat until the day you pass away, you're having a mashed potatoes, you know. So mashed potato is not a very old dish. It's a potato, in fact, not a mashed, but potato is not a very old dish. It came from South America. And at the beginning, you know, they thought it was not a food. It was just a decorative plant. So everybody was scared to eat it. And a French guy called Mr. Parmentier started to eat it to prove to the French king that potato is food. So, and from that day, it started to be very popular. So to start a mashed potato, there is few different types of potatoes. There is some potato who are good to make French fry, and some potato who are good only to make mash. So in that case, we got the mashed potato. When you go to the supermarket is a bit strange because they only got bad potato, but make sure you buy the right type of potato. You cut the potato, but you never cut it too small, because if you cut it very tiny, they absorb a lot of water, and the mashed potato won't be good. So you cut it, maybe there in that case, you know, in six pieces. It's plenty enough. In general, people think, you know, mashed potato, King Edward, for example, is good. Yes, it's a beautiful potato for a certain time of the year, maybe 3 months of the year. The King Edward is the best potato. But after those 3 months, you know, it's going down, because and it will be another type of potato. There is, to be honest, there is thousands of type of potatoes, you know. So what the best thing to do is to trust your greengrocer when you go there, and you say which potato is best for mash or which potato is best for frying, and that's the way you should work. Go to your greengrocer, trust him. I think if you got 100 grams of potato per head, should be okay, you know. Should be enough, because by the time you add the butter and a bit of cream, and there, you know, he make a nice portion. Okay, potato on a fire. We start with cold water. Cover the potato. Nicely covered. Not too much too, but at the same time, but just like that's okay. Salt. To start the process of cooking, it's always better to start with cold water and bring it up, you know. So they cook fast. In fact, funny enough, they cook faster if they start from cold than if you put on hot directly, you know. If you put it on hot directly, it creates a kind of skin around, and they take much longer to cook. Salted water, of course. We put about, for a liter of water, you can put 30 grams of salt, you know. So that will be perfect. And cooking time, it all depends. So I hope those one will be done it will take about 20 minutes, no more than that. Yeah. So now I'm going to check if the potatoes are cooked. You take a small knife, or a needle would you do, and you go there. The potato doesn't stick to the knife, it drops. And that means potato is cooked. Do not overcook your potato, because they will start to absorb a lot of water, and you are going to make a mess out of it, you know. That way it won't be very nice. Now I'm going to drain the potatoes. Can I? Yeah? And just let them drain to a few minutes for the steam to evaporate. Eh? During that time, I'm going to eat double cream and milk. The mashed potato got potato, of course, double cream, a touch of milk, and quite a bit of butter to be naughty. So we put you got the double cream, and the milk should be boiling hot. You never put the butter, melted butter. You put soft butter. So you achieve a kind of creamy mashed potato. It's much better. That's it. So now I'm going to pass the potato. You got two favorite toy for passing potato, to mashing potato. You got a ricer or you got the mouli. In England, they enjoy the ricer. In France, we got the mouli. But both of them do exactly the same job. Okay. That's done. You put a little bit of cream and milk, incorporate like that. You got to make sure you keep everything hot because a potato has been cold, won't be very nice to eat. Even if you rewarm it after, it's not that nice. So keep it like that, hot. And little by little, you drop some cube of butter, soft butter. Putting the butter like that at room temperature, it makes the mash creamy. So you can put as much butter as you want, If you love butter, you put a lot of butter. And if you are conscientious about your weight, you go maybe just a bit less, I don't have any problem with that, so I'm going to put quite a bit of butter in it. It's not liquid at all. In France, in the central part of France, in Massy Central, it's called Auvergne, they do a dish called aligot with mashed potato and fresh cheese mixed with it. And it becomes very elastic, You can feel it, take it like that, and this one is breaking, but there it won't break, It will be like a piece of elastic. And it's beautiful, very rich, but very beautiful. So now, I'm going to test it. Maybe add just a little touch of salt. Perfect. Et voilà, beautiful mashed potato. Bon appétit.